If you need help with your GOG account, purchases, downloads, or any other issue, this video will show you exactly how to contact the GOG Support Center in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy guide, so whether you're new to GOG or just can't find the right support option, you'll know exactly where to go by the end of this video. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software and website guides, just like this one. It really helps the channel, and it keeps you updated with more useful how-to videos. Alright, let's get started. First, open GOG in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main GOG page, look toward the top area of the screen and find the gear icon. This gear icon is where you'll usually find settings and account-related options. Click the gear icon to open the menu. From there, look for the option that says Get Support. This is the section you'll use to reach the GOG Support Center and start getting help with your issue. When you open Get Support, GOG will give you a place where you can describe your problem. Take a moment to explain exactly what you need help with. The more clear and specific you are, the easier it is for support to understand your issue and point you in the right direction. For example, you can mention whether the problem is related to a game, a refund, a login issue, payment, account access, or a technical error. If you're not sure how to describe the issue, don't worry. GOG also gives you support topics below that you can choose from. These topics are helpful because they let you quickly narrow down the type of problem you're having without having to type everything out from scratch. So at this stage, you have two ways to continue. You can either specify the exact problem you need support for in the support form, or you can select one of the topics listed below to get guided help. Both options are designed to help you reach the right support information faster. After that, just follow the prompts on the screen and choose the option that best matches your situation. In many cases, GOG will provide next steps, support articles, or a direct way to continue your request depending on the issue. And that's it. That's how to contact GOG Support Center using the support option inside your account. It only takes a moment once you know where to click, and now you know exactly how to find it. If this video helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.